welcome back to another Trendy Talia video. My name is Talia for those of you who may be new here, bringing you all of my favorite trends from the beauty and fashion world. So today I'm going to be trying something a little bit different on my channel that I haven't done before, and that's doing a first impressions little makeup tutorial with the brand Mellow Cosmetics. One of their representatives reached out to me looking for new brand ambassadors and asked if I would be interested in trying out some of their makeup products. After checking out their website and Instagram, I was very interested and put in an order. Mellow Cosmetics is a makeup brand that is cruelty-free, paraben-free, as well as vegan. They offer eyeshadow palettes, blushes, lipsticks, eyebrow products, and more. And every item that I clicked on had nothing but positive reviews. Mellow Cosmetics was kind enough to provide me with an affiliate link and a discount code for you all. So if you're interested in any of the products that I showed today, feel free to use the discount code MELLOW15 when checking out using my affiliate link down below in the description box. So now let's open up my package and play with a little makeup. So like a true first impressions video, I have not even opened up my package yet, so I'm going to do that now and show you what beauty products that I got. So here is one of the first items that I put in my shopping cart when shopping online at Mellow Cosmetics. And ooh, this packaging is stunning. So this is the Stardust Glow Palette, and I'm really loving the packaging. It's a beautiful rose gold pink color. Alright, so let's take a peek inside. So this is the Stardust Glow Palette, and this one is light to medium. Oh my goodness, these are big. Wow, I was not expecting that much product. So we have two highlighters, a blush, and a bronzer. This highlighter here is called Luna, and it's a champagne color. Then we have a goldish highlighter in the shade Star. The blush is called Delta, and then the bronzer is called Dawn. And I am super excited to try this. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Has a nice big mirror here too to use. Wow, that is so pretty. And like I said, this is in the light to medium shade, so they also have a medium to dark shade as well. And I do not own any face palette like this, so I'm very excited to own one now, and I'm going to go ahead and test it out and see what I think. So I'm going to start out first using the bronzer called Dawn. And I'm not sure how pigmented this is, but on their Instagram page they do a lot of swatches and it looks very pigmented, so let's see. Wow, that is gorgeous, and it matches my skin tone perfectly. When using bronzer, I also like to apply a little bit on my forehead, as well as along my jawline, and a little bit on the bridge of my nose. That way it gives me a really nice sun-kissed look. It already looks like I've been laying outside in the sun for a little bit, so now I'm going to use the blush in the shade Delta. Wow, this is very pigmented. Holy cannoli, I think I put a little bit too much on my blush brush. I'm going to have to blend that out. Next cheek. As you can see, or maybe you can't see on camera, but I did pick up a tad bit too much blush on my blush brush, and maybe that's because blushes that I've been using before aren't that pigmented, but this one is very pigmented. It's a beautiful color though. I just put a tad bit too much, so I'm gonna try to blend that out. I really like that though. It's like a coral pink color. Alright, that's a little more subtle. And now I'm going to try out their highlighter, and I think the one I'm going to go with today is Luna. This one is catching my eye. Ooh, that is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I love that. So pretty, I love that. Wow, that's beautiful. Okay, I'm loving this face palette. Alright, so the next product that I got is called a Glitter Chrome Shadow. And the box got a little bit beat up, but that's okay. I'm pretty sure it's gonna look stunning inside. This package did come all the way from Australia, and I live in America, so actually shipping though was not that bad. It only took 2 to 3 weeks, I want to say. So here we have the packaging, the nice rose gold top here. And I got the glitter chrome eyeshadow in the shade Copper. I thought it would complement my nice dark brown eyes. Ooh, nice. And it has like a little protection lid right here. I'm gonna try to do a close-up of this so you can see it up closely, but this is beautiful. Oh my goodness, I'm excited to apply this, so I'm gonna just use my finger right now, and wow, this is creamy. Okay, I can see the pigmentation on my finger here. So I'm gonna dab a little bit onto my eyelids. Wow. Oh my goodness. This color is gorgeous. I'm impressed with the pigmentation. Oh my goodness. Next eye. Oh wow. I'm obsessed. This is stunning. I am so impressed with this glitter chrome eyeshadow in the shade Copper. They have a handful of other colors to choose from as well, and I think I'm gonna go back on their site and get some more. What I love about this product is the glitter specks are not falling all over my face. The pigmentation is beautiful. Oh my goodness. And like I said, they have a handful of shades in this type of formula as well on their website that I really want to get now. And I love using these just for like a low-key day when I'm just wanting a little bit of makeup but not a whole lot. Just sweep this on my eyes and I'm good to go. And now I'm just going to apply a little bit of eyeliner underneath my bottom lash line and some mascara to complete this look. And the last thing that I got is their Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Blossom. And when I saw this color online, I thought it was perfect for the summertime coming up. Oh, that's pretty. So it's a nice nude pink bullet. And the shade inside, ooh, that is gorgeous. I don't know if you can see that. Again, I'm going to try to get close-ups of these makeup products. But on the lipstick, it actually says Mellow on it. And that color is so beautiful. So I'm going to apply this and let you know what I think. Wow. On the pigmentation again, this is incredible. Wow, I am loving this Ultra Matte Lipstick in the shade Blossom. This is the perfect summer color. When I look at my lips, I think of Fruit Punch. It's a nice reddish orange color, just perfect for those warmer seasons. And what I really love about this lipstick is I've had matte lipsticks before, and when I apply them, they are super drying. This lipstick is not drying at all. It is so moisturizing. Oh my goodness. I could not be more impressed with these products that I tried today. I'm so happy that they reached out to me and asked me if I would be interested in trying out their products. I am in love. Oh my goodness. I'm definitely going to be purchasing more from their website. Everything from the Stardust Glow Palette to the Chrome Eyeshadow as well as the Ultra Matte Lipstick, I'm just in love with. I'm gonna go online and give everything that I got today a 5-star rating, and I'm not just saying that because they reached out to me. I truly am impressed and happy with these products that I used today, and I hope you all give Mellow Cosmetics a try. You guys will not be disappointed. Again, don't forget to use the discount code MELLOW15. I'll be sure to put it on the page as well as leave it down below in the description box for you guys with my affiliate link. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you all enjoyed this first impressions little makeup tutorial that I did for you all today. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye!